Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Foster giving a brief tutorial on how to fill out your portfolio cover page. This is step 2 for the end of the first 6 weeks portfolio cover. Please click on the link provided below. It will open a Google slide titled with your name and the words My Portfolio. I have included a tutorial video below of me completing this form. 1. Replace the text with your name. 2. Use the circle tool to select your favorite art materials. 3. Use the line tools and shape tools to create a self-portrait. 4. Scroll down to the next section of the page. 5. You do nothing with the class code that is for Mrs. Foster to use. Place the text under my favorites and tell me about your favorite artwork you created this 6 weeks. Let me know why it is your favorite. You'll come over to the right and you will click on the form with your name that says My Portfolio. I have some green arrows pointing to the things you need to change. If you need to adjust the view, you can zoom in and switch it to 100. Now I need to scroll to see everything I need to see. So the first thing I need to do, replace this text with your name. I'll click in here. I'm Mrs. Foster. Use the circle tool. Please circle your 3 favorite art materials. Up here at the top is our shapes tool. I want a circle. And my favorites, I like to paint. Oh, it filled it automatically. This is how you can fix that. Click on the fill tool and choose transparency. If you want to change the color of your line, you can do that as well. I like purple. And you can change the weight so that you have a fatter line. Look at that. Now that I've made it, I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to select it. I can right-click and copy. Allow access, yes. And then I can right-click and paste. So now I have another circle, and I can just drag it where I want. Other than painting, I like to use scissors. I like to create new things by cutting paper and things like that apart. And hopefully this year we'll get to use this or something very similar. I like working with clay. So those are my favorite things. Now that I've filled that out, let's come over here. I'm scrolling up and scrolling to the left. Use the line tools and shapes here, shape tools here to make a portrait, okay? I probably need a circle for my face. I still have that dark line. You can come in here and change the weight. You can come here and change the color. Okay, and you can come in here and use your fill tools. Look at that. I'm going to get another circle. Whatever we just did, it keeps. So I'm going to change it again. Change my color. I don't need a line on it. I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to right-click over it, copy, and then I'm going to right-click, paste. There's my little eyes. Okay? So you can use your shape tools. You can also use your line tools. Select a line. If you want it to act like you're drawing with a pencil, you can use the scribble tool. Scribble my hair. Yes, I look beautiful. I'm going to change the color of the line and the weight. Okay, and this one I'm going to copy too. I'm going to right click and copy, right click, paste. Now here's the cool thing. If I hover over this, it's called a node, and I get the double arrow. That means I can drag it and flip it over. How cool is that? And then when you have the 4 arrows, you can click on it and move it around. Let's do this. Okay, I'm looking awesome. I'm going to move on though. You get the idea. I'm going to scroll down. This class code is from me, Mrs. Foster, to use. You don't need to do anything with it. Scroll down further. Tell me about your favorite artwork you made this first 6 weeks of school. So you can click here and replace this text with your answer. My favorite artwork this first 6 weeks was, no, it really wasn't the painting. I would say it was the fall trees we made using paper collage, because my favorite time of year is fall. Okay. And then I believe that is everything we need to fill out on this. You can come back up to Zoom and zoom out so that you can see more of it all at once. I've got my name. I've circled my favorite materials, started my portrait. You guys should finish yours. And I've answered the question about which was my favorite artwork for this 6 weeks. So when you close it, it's going to be there because Google saves things automatically. Close the tab. If you're worried that it didn't save your changes, you can come over here to the form again, double click it to open it, just to reassure yourself everything is there. It's all there, just like I left it. So I'm going to come back up here, close the tab, and turn in my work. It's always ask you twice about turning in. Make sure you wait for it to ask you that second time and click turn in. That's it for this tutorial. And as always, make every day special.